How to cancel Meta verified subscription on Facebook. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. First of all, you want to open the Facebook app on your device. If you do not have this application, head over to Play Store or App Store to download and install this. Then make sure to sign into your account. Now you want to tap on your profile icon, which will directly take you to your profile. Here you will find these three dots. Go ahead and tap on that. Now it will take you to profile settings. Here you will find the option of Meta verified. Go ahead and tap on this. Over here, if you are subscribed to Meta verified, you're going to find the option of manage subscription. Tap on that. Now tap on cancel subscription, then follow the on-screen instructions. Remember, to avoid being charged for another billing cycle, you should cancel your subscription at least 24 hours before your next payment date. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.